Welcome back to the Bird Chef. On this episode of Budget Friendly Meals, we're going to be making chicken yakisoba. So let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our chicken and we're going to strip it off the bones. And we're going to shred this up into nice chunks for the yakisoba. There we go. Now we're ready for the next step. Alright, first up we're going to turn on our heat. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Let that heat up nice and well. Alright, we got that heated up. We're going to add our onion in there. I'm going to stir that around, get it nice and tendered up. Get those onions caramelized while they're in there. Alright, now that those are starting to caramelize, we're going to add our chicken in there. Get that mix around. Alright, now we're going to add our veggies. Add about a handful in there. A little bit more. Now at this point we're just trying to get that lettuce down so it tenderizes. Now we're going to add our yakisoba noodles. Get them a little bit mixed around in there so they get the heat added in there. Now we're going to add our yakisoba sauce. We're going to go around the edge so that we get that steam going in the middle to help them cook up. Make sure we get all those flavors incorporated in there. And there's our beautiful yakisoba ready to serve. Alright, now we're just going to take our yakisoba, serve up a plateful. Garnish it with some green onions. And there we go. Isn't that beautiful? And there we have our chicken yakisoba. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next budget-friendly meal.